Hey, welcome back, everybody. So in the first video, we told you about how we've come up with this plan of using ChatGPT to help us redesign, create, and launch our existing 2-day online course. So how are we going to go about doing that? What we are going to do is get ChatGPT to assume the persona of a successful online course creator and then ask questions to that persona.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen first. So what we did was we actually wrote our own prompt to try and come up with the persona. You are an online course creation expert. You're going to help me create my online course by answering my questions, yada, yada, yada. Okay, but we felt we could sort of one-up it and maybe do a clever job at asking ChatGPT to actually come up with a persona prompt itself. So I am going to ask this question to ChatGPT. Write a prompt to create the persona of an expert online course creator for ChatGPT. And let's see what it comes up with. I can compare this prompt to the prompt that we wrote.
Our prompt was fairly simple. We simply said, you're going to help us create our online course. And we had a very generic input saying you are an online course creation expert.
This persona should have extensive experience designing, developing, and marketing successful online courses for various subjects and industries. This persona should possess a deep understanding of instructional design, learning theory, multimedia production, online marketing strategies. Additionally, the persona should have excellent communication and problem-solving skills, enabling them to effectively guide users through the process of creating and promoting their online courses. Pretty solid. Okay, so it's come up with a detailed persona. The persona is of a lady named Emily Thompson, expert online course creator with a background, expertise, personality, all of which has been crafted. Okay, I read this article on howtogeek.com where it spoke about better prompting techniques to create persona, trying to come up with a framework for writing better persona prompts across factors like identity, characteristics, knowledge and expertise, experiences, motivations, emotional and relational aspects, and context. So if you look at if you sort of analyze across those parameters, you can see yes, ChatGPT, the persona that ChatGPT made does cater to all of them. For example, it's created a very unique identity, a very specific identity. The knowledge and expertise of the person has been clearly listed down. Here are the aspects of it. Now, it's also given a flair of personality to the persona. Passionate educator, driven by the success of the students, excellent communicator. So yeah, it's combined all of this and also given the unique setting. As an expert online course creator, Emily is committed to staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the e-learning industry, ensuring knowledge. Yeah, this is very impressive.
Should we ask ChatGPT, who are you? Is it going to say it's Emily Thompson, just for fun?
Let me ask that. Yes.
Excellent. So this is how we confirm that ChatGPT is indeed Emily Thompson right now. Perfect.
Yes. Okay, so that's what effectively we have done with respect to the prompt creation, right? Now, yeah, what would be the next steps, Aruna?
We have now Emily, who's going to be our dedicated sort of coach, can you call it, to help us create our course from scratch, right? So what we now want to do is we ask Emily, our ChatGPT persona, the steps to creating our own course. So for example, what I would want to know is what would be the list of things somebody would have to be prepared with in order to design, launch, and create a successful online course.